Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, April the 16th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional. Let me show you the additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here two JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, what's the news of today? Well, let me look for the front page. Well, this man, Trump, yeah, Donald Trump, accused for hush money. Yeah, he paid a lot of money. I think $130,000 to a porn star. Yeah, porn star Stormy Daniels, I believe. So he's accused. Anyway, let me start with the puzzle. The first one is the 3-star Sudoku. 3-star Sudoku number 8368. 8368. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Usually, the 3-star Sudoku has 25 printed digits. Well, this one has one more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me see. Which one am I gonna pick? How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. Here or there, we see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the column next, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 in the third row, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Alright. And now, let me see. How about we have the 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. Well, in this column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. So the only place left of 4. I should be there. Alright. Then. Well. Let me see. 1. Need a 1 there. How about the 8? Yeah. Need an 8 here. Need a 7 there. 1 and a 6. Need a 1 here. Come on. Need a 7 here. And I need a 1 here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left of the 9 should be there. 9. Okay. Then only 1, 2. Need a 2 there. Well. Need a 3, need a 7 there. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 3, 5, 2. 3, 5, 2. Okay. Need 8. Need 8. 8. Come on. 8. Well, in 8 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left at 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. 8. Come on. 3. 5, 4, 9, 8, 6. I'm thinking hard. 4. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, and 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and a 5. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 and the 2. The 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 2, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 289, 289, 289. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for number 8. We have 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. From that row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Two numbers left now in this row, 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3 and 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes and there. Alright. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row. Only place left for the 2 should be there. Then, let me see. Well. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And is this really a 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. 1 star? No. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. Yeah, should be a 0 stars. Well. In the flow. Yeah. Well, the second puzzle is a 4 stars Sudoku. So, I will see you in a minute. We have 2 regular puzzles left. And in the evening, I will do the other 4 puzzles. So, see you in a minute. Bye-bye for now.